The National Commission for Women and Meghalaya Biodiversity Board today launched a two-day workshop in Shillong to boost entrepreneurship among Indigenous women in the northeastern region. The event focuses on non-timber forest produce and includes sessions on market dynamics, technology adoption, and overcoming value chain challenges. Speaking at the inaugural ceremony, Chairperson of the National Commission for Women, Rekha Sharma, highlighted the Commission's commitment to foster economic empowerment among Indigenous women through strategic initiatives.
This new initiative of NCW of capacity building tribal women and women who are residing around the forest to start their business or work in forest in the area of non-timber forest produce. This is one of the very new initiative which NCW is taking, especially for the northeastern women, because most of the northeastern women are tribals, and there are many forests around northeast.